Afternoon, guys. I lost my bearings for a quick moment. We are on the road. We're headed to Sean's friend John's daughter's place, Julie and Cris. So I don't think that they're very much aware that I film, so my filming capabilities are going to be a little bit more restricted. I don't think I really filmed anything last night, but we were just having a blast, so it's better to live in that moment, I suppose. But I don't know, maybe I'll take some selfies with John and Junior.
Turn right.
Thank you, GPS. But yeah, Sean and I opened our gifts and we had a wonderful time this morning. It's probably going to be before this. I really like myself in this light. I'm sorry. Sorry. I pulled a certain somebody's name, and I'm not going to mention names on here because I don't want this to get back to them. We are going to this party for this afternoon, and then in the evening we're going to head to Busch Gardens where I'll be filming again. And then on Thursday, we got an Epcot at Disney World.
I'm seeing what it seems.
We're flying a drone right now.
Oh, okay.
The drone is like, I can't, it's that little tiny dot.
There, let's go. We're going over towards John's house. Let's put the camera down a little so we can fly through the neighborhood.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
See, look, now we're going over towards John's.
Are they legal?
Yeah.
It looks like a little bird or like a little insect.
And see, right now we're only at 256 feet. I'll take it up to 300 feet. I can always stop it.
There's the drone
It's gonna land on your head.
You said it was gonna land.
All I did was tell it to come home.
It's amazing.
Yeah, isn't it? And right where's the bus line? Wow. And then shuts itself off.
That's wicked.
Let's see who's out back.
Alright, so after a great evening with John, Junior, Cris, Julie, and family, we're at Busch Gardens, which is the theme park here in Tampa, Florida. Yeah, we're gonna go see some light shows, so I'm gonna take photos. Not sure about video, but we'll definitely be doing some photos. I am absolutely tired. If you're hearing screams, it's roller coasters. The parking lot's full, and yeah. So, we'll see you guys later. We're at the entranceway for Busch Gardens right now. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. This is just the entrance. We haven't even gotten inside, really. It's just the front foyer, so